Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question taken from JEE Main Mathematics question paper of 2024. The question is based on integration, in which we will evaluate a given definite integral using a rule of definite integration. Read the question carefully. Integral between limits minus pi to plus pi of 2x into 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx is equal to. The options are given in the question. We are required to find the correct option. Now for the solution. The given integral is I is equal to integration between limits minus pi to pi of 2x into 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx. This can be written as the sum of two integrations as follows. That is, the numerator can be split into two parts. 2x into 1 is equal to 2x and 2x into sin x. Here 2x into sin x divided by, in both cases we have got 1 plus cos square x into dx. Now let us designate the two integrals as I1 and I2. Therefore we can write this I is equal to I1 plus I2. Let us remove this. Now we will apply a rule of definite integration to these integrals. If the limits are symmetric about 0, that is from minus a to a of fx dx, this will be equal to 0 if f of minus x is equal to minus fx. That means the function fx is an odd function, and this will be equal to 2 into integral between limits 0 to a fx dx when f of minus x is equal to fx, that is when fx is an even function. Let us apply this rule to this. Now the function in the first integral will designate it as f1x, which is equal to 2x divided by 1 plus cos square x, which gives f1 of minus x will be equal to 2 into minus x divided by 1 plus cos square minus x, which is equal to minus of 2x divided by 1 plus cos square x, because cos minus x is also equal to cos x, therefore the square of it is always positive. Therefore we get f1 of minus x is equal to minus f1x, therefore which implies that f1x is equal to 0. So this first integral becomes 0. Let us remove that and put it as equal to I. Therefore I is not equal to I1 plus I2 anymore, so this is just equal to this integral. So now let us replace this integral by this one and remove that I1 plus I2. Therefore in this case the function becomes fx is equal to 2x sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x. Therefore f of minus x is equal to 2 into minus x into sin of minus x divided by 1 plus cos square minus x. Now in the denominator, cos square minus x is equal to cos square x only, therefore the negative sign is absorbed into cos. And here in the numerator, because minus and 2, there are two, minus of sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x, and with this minus negative sign, so it becomes positive. Therefore we get f of minus x is equal to fx. which gives I is equal to 2 into integration between limit 0 to pi 2x sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Therefore, taking these two outside the integral, it becomes I should be equal to 4 into 0 to pi integration between limits 0 to pi x sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Let us remove that and put it there. Now to integrate this function, we'll use this rule again. That means when the limit is between 0 to a of fx dx, this can also be written as 0 to limits, integration between limits 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Let us apply that to this integral. So applying the rule, we get I is also equal to 4 into 0 to pi limits, integration between limit 0 to pi. X will be replaced by pi minus x. So pi minus x into sin pi minus x divided by 1 plus cos square pi minus x into dx. And now let us expand the numerator. That will give us two integrals. So we keep 4 outside the two integrals. So this pi into this. So integral between limits 0 to pi sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx minus, because it's minus x. So minus of x sin x divided by 1 plus cos square into dx. Now let us add the two integrals, which will give us the expression for 2i, which gives 2i is equal to 4 into, we have kept 4 outside the total integration. 4 into integral between limits 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x sin x plus pi sin x minus x sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Now we can see that plus x sin x and minus sin x sin x gets cancelled, giving us, well, let us find out what we get. So we get 2i is equal to 4 into integral between limits 0 to pi sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Now this pi also can be taken out. Therefore we get 2i is equal to 4 pi into integration between limits 0 to pi sin x dx divided by 1 plus cos square x. Now therefore I will be equal to 2 getting cancelled. We get this, let us correct it here itself. So this becomes 2 pi integral between limits 0 to pi sin x dx divided by 1 plus cos square x. Let's post it there and remove everything. Therefore I is equal to 2 pi integration between limit 0 to pi sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Now let us evaluate this integral. Now let us put cos x is equal to z. Then differentiating we get minus sin x dx is equal to dz. Therefore sin x dx is equal to minus dz. Now the limits of integration changes like this. Cos 0 is equal to 1 and cos pi is equal to minus 1. Therefore from 0 to pi this changes to plus 1 to minus 1. Applying the substitution we get I is equal to 2 pi and between limits, integral between limits 1 to minus 1 minus dz divided by 1 plus z square. We can remove the negative sign and the limits of integration interchanges, which gives I is equal to 2 pi integral between limits minus 1 to plus 1 of dz divided by 1 plus z square. Now this integral is tan inverse z, therefore we get I is equal to 2 pi into tan inverse of z between limits minus 1 to 1. Let us remove everything and put it there. Now putting upper limit minus lower limit, we get the function as follows. which gives I is equal to 2 pi into tan inverse upper limit to tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse lower limit to tan inverse minus 1. Now putting the values, we get tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4 and tan inverse minus 1 is equal to minus pi by 4. With this negative sign, this becomes positive. Let's do it in the next step, which gives I is equal to 2 pi into pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Therefore, which is equal to 2 pi into pi by 2, pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So this 2 gets cancelled, which is equal to pi square. This is the answer to the question, therefore the correct option. The correct option is 1. 1 is the correct option. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching.